Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, my house here in Idaho is an all-electric house, which means an electric furnace, which means high electric bills if I run the furnace. Fortunately, Brandon had installed a wood-burning stove, and he had left me enough wood to get me from January when we bought the place through, summertime. So I need to get more firewood. I've been looking around, and even the place that where Brandon had been buying his wood prices had gone up, and the cheapest I could find was $250 a cord. Well, that's not true. There were some places that were giving away for free, but they were the pieces of wood were huge, and I needed a splitter to split them. And some of them were too long, so I would need to buck them up and cut them into shorter pieces. So there was going to be a lot of work involved, and I was going to have to buy a splitter. Well, the ones that are already split and ready to use, the cheapest they were was $250 plus a delivery fee, because none are here in the city of Basalt. It's up in Idaho Falls, over in Ammon, or down in Blackfoot. And usually the delivery fee was $100, per cord to deliver it down here. Well, I found a place that was $200 a cord and a $100 per trip delivery fee, and they were delivering 2 cords at a time. So I got 4 cords for $1,000. I'll show you that here when they get here. So I got 2 cords of firewood delivered. They went back to get another 2. They only can haul 2 cords per trailer load. So they're coming back with another one. And so I'll have 4 cords. Hopefully that'll be enough for the winter. I'm going to get it stacked inside and see how it fills up the same space of the wood I had that Brandon had left me. And basically, I believe I want to have double what Brandon had left me, and so when I get that in there, I will know whether I need to order another load or not, or whether this will suffice for this winter. Oh, they're here with the wood. I still want one of these trailers. And that's it, 1 load delivered. Now I just gotta stack it inside the shop. Okay, so this is what 4 cords of firewood looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and get the tractor and push all this up here into one pile. That way I'm not having to haul it so far to get it into the shop. So let's go ahead and get the tractor and get that going. Alright, so that got that pushed back, and one of the reasons I wanted to push it back is so that it's out of the way of the driving in and out of the shop there. So, because usually I park my truck inside, I parked it outside just in case I wasn't able to get it out again until I got some of this moved. So there we go, there it is, scraped up into a pile. There's the wheelbarrow, which I get a load and take into the shop and start filling it up. Right now it's getting rather hot out here, so I'm going to go inside, get some lunch and get something to drink, and then I'll come out and I'll start moving stuff, but I'm not going to make you watch that. Alrighty, so as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and if you can, plant something this year. Alrighty, bye.